I'm Simon, I'm Managing Director here at Warm Glass UK. Each year we try to support an organisation or a campaign which is connected with our team. In 2018 we focused on sustainability and our environmental credentials of the business, and we reduced our plastics by 95%. In 2019 we've chosen a project which is a bit more personal to me. It's a project called the Mekong Wheelchair Project from Cambodia. In 1994, I went out with a small team of people from an organisation called Motivation. We set out to design a wheelchair which was appropriate for the needs of Cambodian people, a lot of whom had been injured by landmines. We set up a factory in Cambodia to make these wheelchairs, and our target was to produce about 500 wheelchairs a year. We designed a wheelchair which was made from wood, which was quite unusual, but it was a resource which was available in the country, and it also meant that the wheelchair could be repaired very, very easily. Now, 25 years later, the same wheelchair is being manufactured in the workshop. A small team of us went out to Cambodia in 2018 to help them and to see what the future looks like there. The workshop's extremely well organised. There's 18 people working in the workshop, and there's a guy, Savan, who is absolutely amazing. He organises not only the workshop but the distribution of the wheelchairs. We had been invited to a factory that is run by people with disabilities, and it was just amazing to see that most of the people in this factory were using the Mekong wheelchair from the workshop. And for those people, you could see that the wheelchair was just an access to life, not only work and income, but also just socialising and life. And it was fantastic to see this group of people who were really happy workers working in Cambodia, but they were all wheelchair users. And it's just great to see the way that the project could help people like that. It's gone from being just a sort of project about making wheelchairs to a project that is stretching all the way through disability in Cambodia, and it's really important to the people. So the people who work in the workshop have got most of the facilities they need. Health and safety could be a bit better, and some of the machinery is a bit old. We've bought a laptop for them so that they can communicate much better. It makes me feel really, really privileged to have been part of it, because it's been carried on by these 18 people who have dedicated their lives completely to the wheelchair project. And it's those people, the team in Cambodia, that have really made the difference. Well, throughout 2019, Warm Glass will be supporting the project that will raise awareness. We'll also be doing some fundraising through a Just Giving campaign, and that will provide us with funds that we can put back into the project. It's a project that really, really needs our support, and we're just honoured to be able to support it and see it go further.